Hey guys, Jackson here, and today, welcome back to another unboxing video, and I am so excited because I just got my first new Goonies pop, which is brand. I don't have the other ones yet, they're still coming. It's gonna be like, they're gonna be coming in July, but that's okay. Also, I got the 13th Doctor from Doctor Who, and yeah. Alright, so let me show you this box real quick. So, this is brand's box right here, you see that? And on the back, you got all the other characters, which is Sloth, Mikey, Chunk, and Data. Those are the other ones that are going to be coming on July. It's going to be 2 months, you know. But that's okay, and... Alright, let's go ahead and get unboxing. Alright, now let's unbox the 13th Doctor. There you go. Wait, let's see what she stands for. And here's the 13th Doctor. You see, she got her goggles and the sonic screwdriver. Yeah, she is a pretty cool pop. She also came in the stand, you know. Because, you know, and yep, and all the other stuff. And yeah, that is the 13th Doctor. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you next time in the next video. Bye!